here in Colombia Tech Week with Fran from Notion. It's so important to know that there's people working in this in LATAM, globally.
Yes.
Well, we look up to these figures from the States. We have Fran right here from Peru.
We have a community within Notion full of Latinos. So we have Colombianos, Peruanos, Mexicanos, de donde quiera. If you're looking to break into tech in the United States, I highly recommend an organization called techeria.org, and they help Latinos basically break into tech in the United States and globally.
What is the craziest automation that you have seen in your time in community for Notion?
I've seen some pretty crazy ones, but I'll go to a recent one. They basically, the team in Lima created an automation where if someone registers for a ticket, they would collect their name, collect their image, and collect their email. And then they would hold off on sending them a custom image that basically said like Notion Community Fest Lima, a picture of their face and their name, modified for Instagram stories. And they all got sent to them at exactly 6 p.m. the night before the event. So people would begin to promote it all together at the same time. It was absolutely amazing. They used make.com, I think, to make it, and it was just mind-blowing.
With all of these automation trends happening, with AI automation, with agents coming up, how is Notion thinking about that? Is there anything that you can preview about it?
November of 2021, I want to say it was. We were working on like 10 different things, and we were trying to figure things out, and all of a sudden, like AI just started blowing up, and we dropped everything to really make sure to focus on releasing an incredible product. I think Notion is in a particularly really good place because so much of information is already text-based, so there's so much you can already do. In terms of what's coming up next, what I can say, there's just so much coming down the pipeline. I've seen a lot of interesting things with AI in databases, AI and other sorts of things. But one big recommendation I would have is we have a big event, our first event in person in San Francisco, October 24th. And we're going to be releasing a lot of new features, a lot of new updates. And if you can't attend us in person, you can do it online for a free webinar. So please join us.
For 2 years working in community, I think Notion has become the #1 reference of a community-led company.
Yes.
It is really incredible. Any message for those community builders that are just starting?
Meet with people. It's really all about relationships. Like, trust me, especially now in the world of AI, the world of automation, we want to automate everything. We want to automate everything, but like you cannot automate relationships. Meeting with people in person, connecting with one-on-one, connecting even on a Zoom call, and getting to know each other as human beings goes so far. And that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here in Bogotá. That's why I'm here in Lima. We could have been in any other city around the world. There's so many other cool, metropolitan cities globally, but no, our community is strong here, and I wanted to meet this and see the magic in person, and man, it was even better than I expected. Of course. Thank you so much for the